Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 11, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, getting started here. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up 4.25 points to 27.23 per contract. All in all, the futures were a tad bit higher, but not much. So we'll see how today plays out. The markets have had a tremendous rally over the past week or so. We'll see if they start to stall a little bit, or do we start to move higher. In any case, today's a Friday. Volume is expected to be a little bit on the lighter side. That generally will help markets, but we'll see what we get. And we still have lots of stocks reporting earnings, lots of companies reporting earnings out there. So let's get started. We're going to start off with a big boy today, NVDA, trading down about 2% right now. The stock closed at $260.13, now trading at $253.60. So again, a little bit of a haircut. I don't see really much to do here with NVIDIA right off the bat. So we're going to have to wait a little bit. If the stock did get down to, say, $239.50, that would be an area where I would get interested in it. But again, that's still a long ways off. So not a lot we could do with it right now. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see if some kind of pattern forms. We'll see what it gives us. Right now, this could affect other chip stocks. So keep Micron on the radar today. Watch Intel a little bit. That could also be affected. And this could also affect the SMH, which is the Semiconductor Holders ETF. So again, we'll see how this all plays out. But right now, NVIDIA is just down a little bit here from the close yesterday, down about 7 points, I believe. So in any case, it is a decent drop, but it's not really a big drop in the scheme of things for a $260 stock. All right, let's switch gears here and let's talk about another stock that's dropping. This is Symantec. SYMC is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $29.18. It is now trading at $20.55. What a haircut. I am going to have levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room at 9 o'clock. So again, be prepared for that. We'll have levels posted up. We will be playing Symantec off the levels. And again, that is going to be a gap play. Another one we're going to be looking at today is going to be YELP. YELP is also getting hit pretty hard. Closed at $47.75. Now trading at $45.50. I have gap levels ready to go for YELP as well. Right now, the stock has come down pretty decently. You had some wild action after the close, but now you can see it trading at around $45.45. This stock after earnings has a history of moving in a big way, so we'll see how it plays out once we get the opening bell today. Let's take a look at TTD, which is the trade desk. This is trading at around 68.48. I believe this is close to a new all-time high, if not already there. So not much we're going to do with it at this stage of the game. If you own it, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, I really wouldn't do anything here. But if you do own it, I would trail that stop loss immediately. This is a little bit overbought for my liking at this point in time. Let's take a look at Dropbox, DBX. This is still too new for me to do anything with. Closed at $32 yesterday, trading at $31.60. Again, it's only been around about 2 months now. So again, we're not going to do much with Dropbox, but we'll take a glance at it. We'll see if it does give us a pattern or something. But right now, I'm not looking to do a whole lot with Dropbox. It is trading just down about 35 cents from yesterday's close. Not really a big move, but they did report their first earnings call. All right, let's take a look at Verizon. VZ is the ticker symbol here. This was upgraded. Stock trading at $47.95, closed at $47.20. We're not going to make too much out of this. I do believe that Verizon doesn't have a whole lot of downside if it does sell off. On the upside, I don't think there's a whole lot either, so we're not going to do much with it at this point in time. Next up, we want to take a look at PPC, which is Pilgrim's Pride. Stock is trading at 22.5, closed at 21.5, so it's getting a good little pop today. Again, I'm not sure I see a lot of upside in this name at the moment, so we'll sit tight. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Last but not least, we want to take a look at NWSA, which is News Corp. Stock right now is trading at $16.30, closed at $16.59. The only level that interests me for News Corp, and this is it, would be down around $14.25. We get there, hey, I like the stock at that level. Until then, there's really not a lot that I would do with it. All right, we're going to switch gears here a little bit. We're going to go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up $2.60. That's on the back of a weaker dollar. So again, gold getting a little bit of a bid, up $2.60 to $1,325 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see this is trading at 125.58, up a little bit from yesterday's close at 125.18. GLD is a good ETF to track the movement in spot gold. Next up, we have crude oil. Crude oil this morning trading down about 11 cents. We're not going to make much out of that. That's at 71.25 a barrel. Oil's been a powerhouse and continues to remain very strong. Right now, you'll see the USO trading at 14.40, closed at 14.41, basically flat at the open. Again, the USO is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. And once again, if you haven't done so yet, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going. Also, check out the Research Center if you're a swing trader. If you're a swing trader, the Research Center has simply been on fire. And again, we're having a blockbuster 2018. So come check it out. Take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.